in the previous video, we pulled this car in last night. We're changing the clutch on it, but this is his, the turbo GSR. Well, it's LSV tech. But we figured out the issues that this car was having. And finally started to make some power, but the clutch decided it had enough. So, we're gonna go ahead and replace it. My son started working on it this morning. Got the axles, basically unbolted. I just gotta take them out, and then onto the transmission. We're putting a ACT Extreme. I think it's a 4-puck, unsprung hub. Let me get the box and I'll show you. Right now, this thing has I believe a stage 3 eBay clutch, ECT, I believe, or it's also unsprung 6 hub, 6-puck on this, 6-puck unsprung hub. It's rated for a pretty good amount of power. It's just, I guess it wasn't gonna hold anymore, or it was worn down, one or the other. This was the clutch when it still had the LS in on this, when it was just still LS. So yeah, maybe it's just worn out. So yeah, let's get going on it. Right back.
Fuck, it's hot. Hold on, wait a minute. I'm about to bust this night and your motherfucking throat. I'm strapped with a breeze. Fanny pack on me. Suck. Big bitch on me, she gon' ride me like a bike. I ain't about to catfish, so you better get on Skype. Said a main man hit me, said he wanna fight. Turns out that bitch got a dick like a dyke. I'ma still shoot my shot like a mic. Smash that pussy with my sword like I'm Ike. Shawty so thick, that's an anime dice. Comic Con bitch, I'm an anime guy. Lil' baby, what's your Discord? Magnum in the pocket, so you know what this for. 144 inches, see it every pixel. Whole train squad white with the purple pistol. Flash me some tits like you playing fiddle. Spotlight on me like I'm out the middle. She blue, I ring like I'm a whistle. Head bob, she knew that's the rhythm. She say my name, she know the riddle. I score home run. I do for fun. One press, you done. Flow shift like run. I don't bite gun.
Right there, if it's not gonna be in your way. You want to get all the way up. Just don't let it roll off. Okay? Because then it might hit you. Actually, we do need to get all the way out because we're changing the house. Okay.
What did I do?
Where?
Here in the hallway.
Lights off, hallway. I'm gonna do it. Let me just get this real quick. What the heck? Where you guys going? Are you gonna come back here?
What do you want?
No, are you gonna come back here?
Yeah, because you have to.
This is the clutch that's going on it. ACT 4-puck. What's this thing rated under?
410.
Foot-pounds? Yeah, it's rated at 410 foot-pounds. So, we'd love to make 400 foot-pounds, but we won't. Alright.
Whole train squad white with the purple pistol. Flash me some tits like you playing fiddle. Spotlight on me like I'm out the middle. She blue, I ring like I'm a whistle. Head bob, she knew that's the rhythm. She say my name, she know the riddle. I score home run. I do for fun. One punch, you done. Flow shift like run. I don't bite gun. Numb trucks or some. Flow hot like sun. I think I won. Build a bitch workshop, chop my dick off. I'm a bitch now, can't jack off on my cock. Twilight zone, I'ma drop it like it's hot. Lil Wayne bars, I'ma steal it, call the cops. Zoom on the highway like I'm doing a speed run. Tripping out now like, do I really see some? Can't fucking breathe, bitch. Quick combo, then his ass fatality. In the lobby now, this is
Lift up on the back, put the wood underneath, because it's too thick. Alright, well, anyways, go ahead. Let me get that real quick. You have to somehow tilt it forward. One more? Yeah, hold on. Let me see. No, you have to raise the back up a little more. Alright, raise it up. That's probably good. Push the back up a little. Come on, okay? Alright. Raise it up a little bit. There you go. Let me go where you're at. I got it. Do it there. Put a bolt on it. Raise up the jack until this is holding down. More? Alright, so I hope you like that little time lapse. He's almost done. Transmission's back in, the mounts are in. I went ahead and replaced the housing because on the other housing, this one was broken off. So we went ahead and replaced that while the transmission was out. I believe you just got to do the axle shift linkage and put the starter wire back in and put this little guy boost pipe back in, and it'll be all done. Yeah, I'll be right back. All right, it's done. Let's take it for a test drive.